Hello, everybody. It's me, Code Trucker Looter. Finally, a brand new episode of our C Sharp series. I'm so sorry for being so inactive, guys. I moved houses. Now I'm living in my own house, the house that I own. I bought a house. And, I've been arranging stuff. I've been painting stuff. I've been doing all sort of things, in my free time after I leave from work, but now I am 100% devoted to my channel. My goal, if it is, if it is like a big accomplishment, is actually getting into the 100 subscribers by the end of maybe April, May. I don't know, but what I've seen a couple or a few of you guys who actually leave comments saying that they really like this kind of style of method of studying. Giving you a subject and then giving you like 3 or 4 problems. So I appreciate you guys the feedback, and even though I've been inactive, I've seen some subscribers piling in. So I very very appreciate you guys being subscribing to my channel, and we're almost into the 50 subscribers. So when we get to the 50 subscribers, I think I'm gonna do a live stream doing something, I don't know, funny. But anyway, we are now in the C sharp if statement. We did the if statement the last episode, and now we're gonna do the if else statement. Okay. So the if-else statement basically the if-else statement will execute one group of statements if the expression is true, or another group of statements if the expression is false. This is basically how it looks like, and basically we are now going to see how it plays out in program. So open your Visual Studio and go ahead using system and also using system.generic collections.generic. Okay. We're doing the class program. Okay. Now this program is gonna call guess the number or guess number. Okay. I've been dealing with some cold lately. Nothing beats good coffee. So these programs uses the modulus operator to determine if the number is odd or even. If the number is evenly divisible by 2, it is an even number. A remainder indicates it is odd. Okay, so variable integer number console.writeLine Are you sure? Oh, guys, what did I miss, guys? I get a little bit ahead of myself, right? Static void main. It's been quite some time, right? It's been quite some time. Also the right line. enter an integer, and I will tell you if it is odd or even. So number convert to integer. Yeah, think intelligence, but yes. If number remainder 2 equals 0, console dot write line number is even. It's even Stevens. Else console dot write line number is odd. Okay. So now after this we just enter an integer, and I will tell you if it is odd or even. Let's see. 44 is even. Okay, now let's do another one. Like 11, it is odd. See, works pretty great. This one works pretty great because what you're trying to do is, give you a number, our integer number, right? And then you input that number, and if the number is a remainder of 2, meaning it's divisible by 2, right? Then we write that is even. Else, if that is not true, then we hit this 1. Let's go to our program number 2. Okay. All right, people. So we're gonna keep with the story of the non-divisibles. All right. So what are we gonna do is using system collections generic. There we go. Class program static void main. Look at the scope. And now this program name is gonna be named non-divisible. Okay. Space. This program asks the user for 2 numbers. One number is divided by the second number, and result is displayed. Before the division operation. However, number 2 is tested for the value 0. If it contains a 0, the division does not take place. So, we're here. Variables. We go double, okay, num1, num2, and num3, okay? Oh, not num3. Quotient. There we go. Get the first number. Console. Enter the number. So now 1 convert to integer, 2 console dot read line. Get the second number. Console dot write line. Enter the number. Num2. Thank you, intelligence. Now, if num2 is not 0, perform division. If num2 console.write line. Division by 0 is not possible. Okay. Also, console.write line. Please run the program again and enter a number other than 0. Else, you could do a division. The division goes quotient is equals to num1 divided by num2. Console.write line. The quotient of num1 divided by num2 is quotient sure. All right, we save and now we compute. What's the number? Let's say, for example, we go for 85, right, divided by 5. Okay, the quotient of 85 divided by 5 is 17. Okay. this. Okay. Now let's see something here. The quotient of 500, 0. Division by 0 is not possible. Please run the program again and enter a number other than 0. There you go, guys. See? Again, we have a statement and it couldn't be true, therefore we jump to the other statement, the else, right? Last program, but not least, probably my favorite of this episode. So, in this question, it's called the Professor Oak question. Are you either a boy or a girl? Okay? And with this, we're going to use integer values to make it very simple. Okay? So, using system collections generic, okay, class program static void main, okay, prof o question. In this program, you are going to ask the professor to ask. We are not going to ask. We are going to role play as Professor Oak. I'm going to role play as Prof Oak. You will ask the user if it is a boy or a girl. Choose integer 1 and 2 if it is 1. The user is a boy. If it is 2, the user is a girl. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? Variables, integer num1. We can actually hit the number as integer answer, I believe, right? Answer. So console.writeLine is going to be welcome to the world of Pokemon. Are you a boy or a girl? So go for answer is equals to convert to integer. Okay. If answer is equals to 1, console.writeLine. Oh, so you are a boy. Yes, professor. Else, console.writeLine. Oh, so you are a girl. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Let's save it. And let's hit it. So let's put 1. Oh, so you're a boy. Yep. We can put 2. You know, it's else. So it could be any other thing. Okay. So of course, you can put any other number that is not 1. You can even put 0 or -1, and it will show you the else because if answer is not one, it's gonna throw you the else statement. In the next episode, we're going to the else if else statement, meaning that we're gonna have multiple if statements, but with an elf following into it. Meaning that if this statement is not true, then there's another if else statement that it might be true. But that is for right now, guys. I have so much content for this course already done, already written in my script, and all the programs already written as well. So I'm gonna keep crunching, guys, for more content. Okay, let's make 50 subscribers by the end of April. Thank you very much, guys, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.